prayer. First we'll say the prayer, then we'll start our class. All of you close your eyes and join your hands and say the prayer along with me, okay? Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Yes children, slowly open your eyes. Till now we have completed 1 to 5th lesson, isn't it? From lesson number 1 to we have completed lesson number 5. So this worksheet 1 is linked to the linked lesson from 1 to 5. Means whatever you learned in the first lesson to 5th lesson, that all things, that all are there in this worksheet. Okay. So first A may fill in the blanks. A is fill in the blanks. Here I will write only answers. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Here I will write only answers. The first one is Dash said, what is the matter? Who said what is the matter? Rohit said, what is the matter? Rohit. Okay. Next, second one. Amul took the dash from kitten. What did the Amul took? Amul took hat from the kitten. Hat. Next, third one. Sudama took the handful of dash. What did the Sudama took for the Krishna? Sudama took a handful of beaten rice. So here write down beaten rice. Here I am writing only answers, but you have to write full completely. Next, fourth one. I love beaten rice. Who said this? I love beaten rice. Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna said this. Okay. Next, fifth one. The broken hat was changed to a dash house. When the Sudama met Krishna, that time his hut converted into a grand house. So the answer is grand. G-R-A-N-D. Grand. Okay. Next, sixth one. The kangaroo lived in dash. Where the kangaroo lived? The kangaroo lived in Australia. So write down Australia. Kangaroo lived in Australia. Next, the seventh one. Inkwang showed dash the kangaroo. Inkwang, what did the Inkwang show to the kangaroo? Dingo. Inkwang showed dingo the kangaroo. So the seventh one is dingo. D-I-N-G-O. Dingo. Next, eighth one. Two kittens began to fight. Two kittens began to fight on one stormy night. So here fight. You need to write down fight. F-I-G-H-T. Fight. Next, what is the ninth one? The dash was carrying a bundle of clothes on her head. Who was carrying the bundle of clothes? Dobin. How foolish can you get? So in that lesson it is there. So the answer is Dobin. Next, the last one, 10th one. We are going to the dash to sell burra. Where they are going to sell burra? To the market. The answer is market. We are going to the market to sell burra. Okay. So this is the answer for fill in the blanks, children. So copy it down in your textbook. Next, coming to the B main, write T for the true statements and F for the false statement. True or false. Here I will write only answers. Okay. What is the first sentence? First statement. The hat was alive. The hat was alive. Is it true or false? No, it is false. the broom. True. Third one, Sudama's wife gave him chapatis. Sudama's wife gave him chapatis. Is it true? No, false. Then what did the Sudama's wife gave him to? Sudama's wife gave beaten rice to Sudama, isn't it? Next, fourth one, the palace guards welcomed Sudama. Did the palace guards welcome Sudama when he went to meet Lord Krishna? No. So that's why this statement is false. Even they are not allowed him to the palace. They stopped in the gate only, palace gate only. The guards stopped him. Next, coming to the fifth one, Lord Krishna helped Sudama. Yes, true. Fifth one, true. Coming to the sixth one, the kangaroo looked like a dog. The kangaroo looked like a dog. Is it true? No, false. The old man kangaroo, it is there. In that lesson, it is there. Next, seventh one, the kangaroo was very proud. The kangaroo was very proud. Yes, the kangaroo was feeling itself proud. So, true. Next, what is the eighth one? Eighth statement is, the two kittens were fighting over a mouse. Yes, true. The two kittens were fighting for the mouse. Ninth one, first the Brahmina rode Burra. First the Brahmin rode Burra. Is it true? No, false. Then first who rode Burra? Babu, the little boy, rode Burra. Next, 10th one, in the end, Burra couldn't be sold. Burra means the donkey. The donkey name is Burra, isn't it? How foolish can you get? In that lesson, it is there. All of you remember? Yes. In the end, Burra could not be sold. Yes, true. The Brahmin and Babu was trying to please everyone. They pleased to every people. In the end, what happened? They could not sold Burra. So for that, this statement is true. Okay, students. Here I will give you 2-3 minutes. Please copy it down. These are all answers. Next, question answers is there. So before rubbing this one, copy it down. Next, I will move forward to the question answers. That is C main. What did Amul see? Question and answer. So I will give you 2 minutes. Copy it down. Even you can pause the video and write down the answers. Okay. Write it fast. Only enter answers in your textbook. Later you can copy into your fair book. Yes? Shall I rub now? Okay. Don't worry, I will send you answers to your WhatsApp also. By seeing in your phone, you can copy that answers. Now coming to the C main, question and answers. See, I will write here only answers. But you need to write both the question answers in your fair book. What is the first question? What did Amul see? What did Amul see? Amul saw the jumping hat. Amul saw the hat jumping or jumping hat. This is the first answer. Next, second question. Why did the boys run into the kitchen? Why did the boys run into the kitchen? The boys ran with the past tense, ran. The boys ran. The boys ran into the kitchen. Into the kitchen. Because they were frightened. jumping hand, of the jumping hand. Frightened means they were scared about the jumping hand. That's why the boys ran into the kitchen. Next, what is the third question? How did the people of Dwarka treat Sudama? How did they treat Sudama? Dwarka was a rich and beautiful city. Dwarka was a rich and beautiful city. Beautiful city. Sudama looked like a beggar. Sudama looked like a beggar because he was wearing a torn cloth. He was wearing torn ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಹರಿದ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಸುಧಾಮ. So he was wearing torn cloths. Torn cloths. So the people laughed at him and made fun of him. Like this, the people of Dwarka treated Sudama. What is the fourth question? Who welcomed Sudama? Next, what happens? Who welcomed Sudama? Lord Krishna welcomed Sudama. Lord Krishna welcomed Sudama. Okay. What is the fifth question? Question number 5. Why was Sudama sad when he left the palace? Sudama did not know about the wonders that had happened at his home. He spent a few happy days with Lord Krishna. At last, it was time for him to go home. He did not want to ask his old friend for money. He did not want to ask his friend, his old friend for money. So he left the palace. Empty-handed. Empty-handed means ಖಾಲಿ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ. Empty-handed. He made his way home sadly. Yes, correct. Okay, still there are 10 questions are there. 5 we are completed now. Still remaining 5 are there. So copy it down. Have you copied these answers? Copy it down fast. Why I started to write that time also. At that time you need to start with me only. Along with me if start means you can finish it where I stopped. Isn't it? Okay. Next. That part I will keep it. Only this part I will rub it. Okay. Till I am writing, you copy these answers. Coming to the sixth one. What is the sixth question? What did the great god in Kong tell the kangaroo? The great god in Kong, this is Q, in Kong jumped and shouted that he would make the kangaroo shouted that he would make the kangaroo different from other animals. Different from other animals, and would also make him popular, very popular, not only popular, very popular. Okay, so this is the sixth answer. Next, coming to the seventh one. Did Dingo catch the kangaroo? Did Dingo catch the kangaroo? Dingo means dog. Dog name is Dingo. Poor dog Dingo, who was always hungry and dusty, was tired of running. He could not catch the kangaroo. He sat down, hung out his tongue and howled. So the answer is he could not catch the kangaroo. He sat down, hung out his tongue and howled. Tongue and howled. H-O-W-L-E-D. Howled. Okay. Next, what is the eighth question? Who got angry with the kittens? What did she do? Who got the angry? The old woman got angry. Isn't it? Okay. Shall I write the outside answers? Have you copied? Here I will write the eighth answer. The old man became angry. The eighth answer is the old woman became angry on seeing the quarreling kittens. On seeing the quarreling or fighting, quarreling kittens, and swept them out and swept. Sweep idara past tense swept. Swept them out. Swept them out of the room with a broom. Swept them out of the room with broom. With broom. This is the 8th question answer. Next, what is the 9th question? What did the fool suggest the father and son should do? The fool suggested that fool means 2 boys and 2 girls. 2 village boys and 2 village girls. We call it as the fool. In the how foolish can you get lesson, isn't it? So, the fool suggested that the father and son should not make burra, should not make burra, carry so much weight, carry so much weight, and also told them, they were the ones who should carry, they were the ones who should carry burra, who should carry burra. Okay, this is the 9th question answer. It is bit lengthy, but you need to write down the all sentence completely. Next, last but not least, what is the 10th question? How many children did the Brahmin and Babu meet? How many children did they meet? The Brahmin and Babu met 4 children. The Brahmin and Babu met 4 children. Okay, children, see here. These are the answers. All answers you need to write down neatly in your notebook. Okay. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.